So hello everyone, today we are going to do a new problem, a very basic problem on array data structures, and the problem is called as max till I. So now what is this max till I? Here if we see that what is it, the problem statement here is we will be given an array ARR of size n for, and what we have to do here, for every I from 0 to n minus 1 till from the first element to the last element, we have to find what we have to find. We have to output the maximum for ARR of 0, ARR of 1 till ARR of I. Now what it is actually, let's see an example here. Suppose we have this example here. We have this example array which has the elements 2, 0, 7, 4, 8 and 11. Now here in this case what we have to do, just consider the first element, don't take the entire element, just take the first array here, this one. It is a single array here. Now this single array, this is a single array here. Now this single array, which is the maximum element here, as we know that it is a single sub array of only one element, so 2 is the maximum value here itself. Then in the next iteration, consider this as the array. So now for 2 and 0, which is the maximum value here? 2. Similarly, now consider 2, 0 and 7. Here the maximum value is 7. Then comes 2, 0, 7 and 4. So for 2, 0, 7 and 4, the maximum value is 7. Then comes 2, 0, 7, 4 and 8. So 8 is the maximum value here, and 2, 0, 7, 4, 11. So here the maximum value is 11. Suppose if we had another extra element here, let's say 5. So here also for the last element the output would have been 11. This is how it is actually going to be. So this is what called as max till I. Till any I index, what is the maximum value in the given array, that we have to output, that we have to store in a output array. Now let's see how we are going to write the program and how it is actually going to work in a program. So here this is the program that we have. If we see here, I have declared two variables n and max. Now here n is the size of the array here. So first we will take the input from the user to enter the size of the array. Whatever the user gives the input as n, we will be defining two different integer arrays. One is ARR and the other one is output of n. Now here we first need a for loop to take the inputs from the user. What are the various inputs that are given by the user? Then after that, what we are going to do, we have taken max. Now this max and output, we are both initializing max and output with the first element, because we know if there is only one element, then that is going to be the max and that is going to be the same resultant for the first index there. So here max and output 0 both are getting initialized as ARR of 0 here. Now here come to the actual statements every time. Now what we have to do, at every iteration we have to find the new max, and whatever be the new max, store that maximum value into the output array. So simply we have to write here as for int of I equal to 1, because the first one is fixed, we have to start from the second one. So I equal to 1, I less than n and I plus plus, and every time we are going to check if max less than ARR of I, then the max will be changed by ARR of I, else max is going to remain the same. So we don't have any else condition here, and at every iteration whatever be the value for max, that will be stored in output of I for every new element. Now this is it, this is the actual program that we have. This is the actual program, the logic that we have to implement here. Now the next thing comes here is to print. First we are printing the input array whatever it is, and then after that we are printing the output array, the resultant array. Now let us see how it actually works. Let's give the same inputs what we took as an example. Here the size is 6 and the input numbers are 2, 0, 7, 4, 8 and 11. If these are the inputs, so we can see here the input array is 2, 0, 7, 4, 8 and 11 and the resultant is 2, 2, 7, 7, 8 and 11. Now if we want to give any other inputs, so now let's try giving some other inputs here. Let's suppose the size of the array here is, let's say 7. Now for 7, what are the different values? 3, 5, 1, 56, 21, 2, 73. These are the different inputs that I have given. Now if you check here, the input array was 3, 5, 1, 56, 21, 2 and 73. So here just for 3 we have the maximum value here is 3. For 3 and 5 we have 5 here. For 3, 5 and 1 we have 5 again. For the first 4 we have 56. Then for first 5 we have 56. For first 6 also we have 56 here and the last element is 73. So it is getting replaced by 73. So this is how we are going to find maximum till I. So this is it. And now just have a look at the program again, that we don't have to calculate at every different iteration for each and every, we don't have to take any sub arrays and we don't have to calculate it. It can just be done by using only one looping statement. So just try to make it as efficient as you can. So this is it. So thank you very much. Now if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. We will definitely get back to you. Now if you like the video, please do like, because that gives us a motivation to make new videos every day, and please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. Thank you very much.